Well, thank you all for coming to this very auspicious meeting. Next year, the Journal of Horticultural Science and Biotechnology publishes its 100th volume. We have been publishing good science in horticulture for the last 100 years. The journal was founded in 1919 by a very eminent fourth generation nurseryman from Maidstone named Edward Bunyard. And the journal has gone on from that point. It started as the Journal of Pomology, and somewhat later, as various research organizations developed in this country, it became the Journal of Horticultural Science. And about 1990, we added the word biotechnology, which has helped to embrace more good quality science papers being published in the area. Could I thank several people for their help and collaboration in organising this meeting, particularly Geraint, who has done all of the administration work, but also Rosemary Collier, who is the Deputy Chairman, and Graham Seymour, who is our Senior Editor. Both of those have basically pulled the whole of this programme together and organised this meeting. And then Roy Preedy, our Treasurer and Secretary, who's done the back office work in terms of organising, particularly last night, a meeting of members of the board and speakers for a dinner, which was much appreciated. In 6 years ago, we went into partnership with Taylor and Francis. This has proved to be a very valuable move because that lifted from us all of the costs related to publishing the journal and means that we have electronic expertise, publishing marketing tools, and distribution and work on the internet. So I pay tribute to Taylor and Francis, who's represented here by Emma Williams, and she will tell you anything you need to know about the journal and how it is produced and how it is published. Currently, we publish in online and still in hard copy. So we also have a social media present, and Chris Turnbull engineers very excellently the way in which the journal appears in Facebook and Twitter X. And that means that we have good publicity, which links into the social media publicity, which comes from Taylor and Francis. When we go into this second century of the journal, and I'm confident that the journal will continue to succeed because we have a rising impact factor, we have attractive worldwide authorship and readership, and I would add that we are now seeing an increasing number of papers coming from Europe, and not least, one or two have come back from Britain. Initially, of course, the journal was founded to publish British papers. Unfortunately, that subsided through the 1990s, 2000s. Now we're beginning to see some very good British papers coming through. The objectives are organised. The only organisation to which we have to give any recognition is the UK Treasury Charity Commissioners. The journal is independent, which is a difference between most journals which are linked to a learned society and its journal. It's run by a group of trustees, and we have a senior editor, as I say, in Graham Seymour. We have a deputy editor in Professor John Hammond. Secretary and Treasurer is Roy Preedy. Media consultant Chris Turnbull, and Rosemary Collier ably deputises for all my mistakes. So I'm most grateful to each of them for what they do. I'll now turn the meeting over to Rosemary, who's going to introduce the first set of 3 speakers. Thank you very much indeed.